Tired of fumbling with physical cards or worrying about sharing sensitive details online? Discover how to unlock seamless, secure online transactions with your Alliance virtual credit card. In just a few simple steps, you'll be leveraging your virtual card for everything your business needs online. First, access your Alliance virtual credit card account. You'll log in securely using your credentials, just like you would for any important banking service. Once logged in, locate the card details or a similar option. This is where you'll find the information needed for your online transactions. Here, you'll see your unique virtual card number, the expiration date, and the crucial CVV code, all the essential details for making payments without ever needing a physical card. Now, for any online purchase, from setting up recurring subscriptions to buying essential software, simply enter these virtual card details into the payment fields. What makes your Alliance virtual credit card incredibly powerful is the control it offers within your portal. You can often set spending limits for specific transactions or even create temporary virtual cards for added security on on-off purchases. This means you can confidently manage all your business expenses, be it software subscriptions, online advertising campaigns, cloud services, or any other digital procurement with enhanced security and a clear overview. Experience the ultimate in secure and convenient online payments. Start using your Alliance virtual credit card today.